MAO inhibitors should not be used with answer is petidin. Imatinib is useful in the treatment of CD117 positive GIST. Toxicity of amphotericin B can be reduced by using liposomal preparation. Which of the following form of steroid base is most potent? So answer is ointment. Treatment of choice for patients with meningococcal meningitis who is allergic to penicillin is chloramphenicol. If a patient receiving linezolid therapy for 14 days, so the following should be monitored is platelet monitoring. Characteristic features of apoptosis is cytoplasmic eosinophilia. Following are granulomatous vasculitis, except is Burgess disease. Bronchiectasis is most common in which lobe? Answer is left lower lobe. True about lung carcinoma. So answer is Oat cell carcinoma is commonly associated with bilateral hilar lymphadenopathy. Not a cause of hemoptysis. His answer is empyema. Rampal, a 45 years old man, presents with a history of recurrent hemoptysis and purulent sputum. His chest X-ray is normal. Which of the following will be the next best investigation for him? So HRCT. Smoking is generally not associated as a risk factor for bronchiolitis obliterans or organizing pneumonia. Which of the following collagen disorder is not commonly associated with pulmonary fibrosis? Answer is dermatomyositis. Which of the following disorder is not true about the autistic specific disorders? So answer is vision problems. A school-going boy was noted with a vacant state several times a day. There is no history of fever, seizures, neurological deterioration. What is the most likely diagnosis? The most likely diagnosis here is absent seizures. True about Wilson's disease. Answer is increase in urinary copper and decrease in serum ceruloplasmin. Most common cause of genital ulcer in HIV patient is herpes. A 60-year-old female was given anesthesia for a prolonged surgery. After surgery, she was extubated but was found to have poor respiration, BP 180, and blood analysis revealed CO2 200 and the blood pH was 7.42. What is the most likely diagnosis? The most likely diagnosis is incomplete recovery from muscle relaxants. Which of the following is not a behavior therapy technique? Answer is counter transference. Vaginal sphincter is formed by all except internal urethral sphincter. Osteometal complex refers to. So answer is A. Maxillary ostium, ethmoid infundibulum, hiatus semilunaris, and frontal recess. Muscle spindle detects length. Which of the following is not true about the idiopathic pulmonary hemosiderosis? Answer is eosinopenia. A truck driver has chronic cough with fever since 1 month. Chest X-ray shows bilateral reticulonodular infiltrates in mid and lower zones. Which of the following is possible diagnosis? So answer here is pneumocystis carinii pneumonia. All of the following conditions are observed in gout except deficiency of enzyme xanthine oxidase. Most common organism associated with reactive arthritis is chlamydia. All of the following are true about Raynaud's disease, except uh, positive antinuclear antibodies. The following condition is not associated with an increased anion gap type of metabolic acidosis. Answer is COPD. Positive urinary anion gap is found in renal tubular acidosis. The cause of resurgent malaria are all of the following except increase in number of Plasmodium species. So the following disease is inherited only in males. Answer is X-linked recessive. True about antiphospholipid antibody syndrome includes following. So answer is bleeding. Which of the following tests should be first done in non-mismatched blood transfusion reactions? Answer is direct Coombs test. Beck's triad. So here answer is cardiac. Beck's test used for is seen in cardiac tamponade. True about third heart sounds. Here due to contraction of right ventricle. Drug used in management of migraine includes all of the following except. So answer is ethosuximide. Serotonin syndrome caused by the following except chlorpromazine. Pathology in motor neuron disease is at anterior horn cells. Brown tumor of bone is seen in hyperparathyroidism. Primary impact injury most commonly involves legs, the path of which following bullet can be followed after shot from gun is tracer bullet. A 30-year-old female married 5 years back died. Under which of the following autopsy of this patient should be conducted? So answer is CRPC 176. Rural urban difference is not seen with tuberculosis. Please check this answer also. Mass immunization is indicated in the following except leprosy. ASHA stands for Accredited Social Health Activist. They have given the answer itself, Accredited Social Health Activist. JSY stands for Janani Suraksha Yojana. Which of the following predisposes to atherosclerosis? Answer is hyperestrogenemia. Most common oncogenic human papilloma virus is HPV-16. Most important investigation in VVF is cystoscopy. Is vesicovaginal fistula. The answer is cystoscopy. So here we have discussed the 200 question of 2014 ESIC IMO question paper. So I've got this question paper in the ESIC website itself. In the official website, they had a recruitment page. So I'll show it. So if you see here, this is the ESIC website. So here the number 38, they have given all the 2014 question paper A, B, C, D. They have given 4 series, and here recruitment of insurance medical officer that is currently going to happen. You can check this also. So in the website, they've given the exam was held on 2014. They have given this question paper. So that was all about this video. So if you want explanation, please do let me know in the comment section. And there are also few mistakes in the answer key. So please, if you find any mistakes, please do note in the comment section also. We'll discuss about it. So that's all. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. Thank you.